be opening my Project MC2 Addisn notebook. I have secret stuff inside, so I'm going to get it out the box. Wow, look at my Project MC2 book. Ooh, look at this bracelet. Let's take my book out. So this is the book and this is the bracelet. Not so nerdy, but genius. So you put this on and you swipe it here. And if it doesn't work, there's an access button on the back. Somewhere. Oh, I forgot to put it on. Okay, let me try now. Whoa.
Oh, I'm game. I'm always game. Okay, let's do this.
Whoa, this is so cool. This is like my little composition book where I can just do lots of spy training and put some notes in. This is a magical invisible ink pen. Oh, and it says these are some stickers here. Oh, and it says the UV light is located inside of the journal binding. Whoa. This is the UV light. So with this magical invisible ink pen, you can write on here. I'm gonna write genius. And with the UV light, you can use it to reveal the message. It says genius. I'm a genius. Okay, let's put this back in. And also, something about this book is that you can put a phone in here. So let me get the phone. And you can put it inside. See? Dun dun dun! So cool. You know, I want to put the phone off. This is my own book, and I can store secrets here. And
mission complete. Flawlessly handled, Agent.
Yes, this is my book, and Addisn helps me with lots of secret spy missions. Let's put everything back here. Let's put everything back in here. And let's close it.
All done.
This is my Project MC2 Addisn notebook. Let's try again to open it. Hello.
Hello, Agent. I'm reporting for duty. Ready when you are.
Still works. Yes. I'm gonna try this again. Bye bye. Bye guys. See you soon in my next video.